Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you guys how to make the most delicious, sticky, smoky, tender barbecue ribs. These barbecue ribs are the star for any summer cookout. Let me show you guys how to make it. All right guys, to begin, I am going to remove this thin silver lining skin on the back of the ribs. Just pull it out just like this with a napkin. As you can see, it's easier to do it that way. And just like that, it is out, okay? Now we're going to pat dry our ribs. Pat it dry just like this, and then you're going to grab your mustard. Now you can use Dijon mustard or yellow mustard. I don't have yellow mustard, so. This is going to be helping with the seasoning to stick. It's like a binder. Just rub that in, the back and the front, and of course, the side. I have all of my seasoning here. This is my homemade dry rub. I have a little bit of onion and garlic powder, a little bit of chili powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, ground black pepper. I added a little bit of cinnamon, but it's optional. Everything will be listed below, just like this. Once you add it in there, make sure you pat it. Make sure it's fully covered. I like to get this side as well. Now I'm going to flip it over. Flip over, and we're going to do this side. Just cover it with all that good, delicious seasoning. I added some cayenne pepper to give it that sweet and spicy. You know, we have the brown sugar as well. Now you can grill this, you can bake it. So we outside today, okay? Outside. Now let's take it outside on the grill. All right guys, we are outside. As you can see, I have my grill on low, about 250. I'm going to place it right in here. You don't have to cover it with foil or anything. It's gonna cook low and slow. Then I'm going to just cover the lid. Now we're going to let it do its thing for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay. Come on, the ribs are ready after 2 hours. Let's add the barbecue sauce. Now you can use pretty much any barbecue sauce. I'm using this one right here. Nice and sweet and smoky. Looking good. Let's flip it over. Add a good amount. Brush that in. Smelling amazing already. We're gonna let that sauce caramelize. And then for about 10 minutes or so, let's flip it over. Woo. More sauce. We're going to cover it on low again. Let that sauce caramelize, and I'll see you guys in a minute. It's my favorite part, the taste test. As you can see, I'm ready. Let's try it. So good. As you can see, clean, no meat, fall off the bone. 10 out of 10. I tell you, these are so good. Fall off the bone, tender, flavorful, smoky, a little sweet at the same time, baby. And that barbecue sauce, 10 out of 10. Hope you give this a try, especially for this 4th of July, or if you're grilling this summer, this gotta be on your menu. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you're pairing this with in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.